completed my BE from Navodaya Institute of Technology, and I'm 2020 passed out. And I joined Fuse Fighters in the month of October. So my training started from SQL, which was handled by Sashi sir. And Sashi sir is one of the best sir. He always explains in a way that each and every student understands it. And then I started my training with manual, which was handled by Pradeep sir. Pradeep sir is one of the best sir, and the way sir explains each and every concept and the energy level is like massive. So I would like to thank Pradeep sir for that. And then was APT, and personally I am very weak in APT. So the way Lavanya sir teaches, whatever APT knowledge I have today is all because of Lavanya sir. And then last was Java, which was handled by Shankar sir. And Java, so I'm from EC background, so there is no programming knowledge. So Java sir explains each and every concept in a way that the person who doesn't have programming knowledge also will understand everything. Like he will explain everything with a real-time example. So that was very helpful. And coming to juniors, I would suggest them to give presentation every day. Like presentation is very important. Many people have communication problem. So if they complete with presentation, they will be achieving that. So thank you very much for Fuse Fighters for everything. And lastly, coming to, I got placed in a very good company. So there were 4 rounds in that. First was technical round. In that, basically they will try to check your communication and technical knowledge. And then second round was handled by the client, which was also face to face. In that, they asked thoroughly about the technical skills, and so you have to be thorough with each and every concept, because there is no assurance that which topic they are going to ask. So if you give regular presentation, then you will be able to recall everything. And then last was the manager round, and followed by the HR round, in which general HR questions were asked. So yeah, giving presentation is very important, and follow all the tips which is given by all the trainers. And that's all. Thank you.